come make one of my favorite plant-based recipes with me. I'm Chelsea Emer, and today we're going to make my Blueberry Farro Salad with an easy herb vinaigrette, which features a base of anti-inflammatory olive oil. Even more, we'll add some nutty flavor thanks to hemp hearts, which are seeds rich in omega-3 fatty acids. You'll enjoy every bit of this satisfying and delicious plant-based lunch that has a variety of textures and flavors, but most importantly, helps fight inflammation too.
The salad starts with a base of mixed greens packed with vitamins. Next, we layer in fresh, crunchy cucumbers and celery, adding texture and flavor. But that's not all. Throw in some green peas for a little sweetness. Now, let's add cooked farro. This hearty whole grain is full of fiber and complex carbohydrates. What makes this salad truly special are the blueberries. These tiny fruits are not only delicious, but also loaded with antioxidants. They help fight inflammation and boost your health. Slice up a creamy avocado for that perfect texture and healthy fats. Finally, let's sprinkle some hemp hearts and pepitas on top for added crunch and nutrition. Now on to the herb vinaigrette. In a jar, combine olive oil, red wine vinegar, honey, parsley, dill, oregano, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Shake it up until everything is mixed well. To assemble your salad, take a large bowl and toss in your greens, veggies, farro, blueberries, and avocado. Drizzle the herb vinaigrette over everything and gently toss it all together. The result? A delightful plant-based meal that is perfect for lunch.
You don't have blueberries, don't have farro? No problem. Make this recipe your own by swapping in your favorite fruit or whole grain.